So what is the difference between risk averse, risk seeker and risk neutral? Let us understand this part. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. Let's say there is a bet and there are two options, option A and option B, right? Here the option is that you buy a lottery ticket worth $50, right? 50% chances that you're going to get $200 and 50% chances are that you'll get nothing. Option B, this is option A and this is option B. In option B, I'm saying if you're putting in $50, there is a 100% surety that you'll get $100. Risk averse means this person is trying to avoid risk, so he'll prefer certainty over uncertainty. Risk seeker, his motive is to maximize return. Risk neutral is between risk averse and risk seeker. A risk averse person is trying to minimize risk, but that does not mean that he is not going to take a risk. He can take a risk, right? My point is a risk neutral person will be somewhere between risk averse and risk seeker. He'll say, okay, fine, if possible, let's minimize risk. And at the same time, he doesn't want to compromise with return also. Now, out of these three categories, what do you think? A risk averse will prefer option A or option B?
Option B.
Because here there is a 100% certainty that you'll get $100. So a risk averse person will prefer option B. A risk seeker is going to prefer option A, because what he's saying here, that if I go for option A, there is a 50% chance that I can have $200. But if I go for option B, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get $100 only. He is not seeing this figure. A risk averse is avoiding this option A because he is seeing that there is a possibility that my money will become $0, and that is why he is going for option B. But a risk seeker, he is not looking at this 50% probability. He is saying there is a chance that I can get $200, and which is only possible if I opt for option A. Remember one thing, a risk seeker never sees the kind of risk which is involved. Even if it means taking 2% extra risk for getting 0.5% extra return, he'll go for it. This is the difference between a risk seeker and a risk averse. If you ask a risk averse person, will you be taking 2% extra risk for 0.5% extra return? He'll say no. But a risk seeker, he's not seeing at the risk. Just he is trying to maximize his return. What about this risk neutral person? Is he going to prefer option A or option B? He'll be indifferent. And why he'll be indifferent between these two choices? Because here also the expected return is how much? $100. This is the expected value. What is expected value here? 50% probability of getting $200 plus 50% probability of getting 0. So what is my expected value here? $200. In both the cases, his expected value is $100. So a risk neutral person will be indifferent between choices A and choice B. Any difficulty in understanding this part?